Like applesauce. See, there we go, everybody. What's up with it, everybody? What's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it? Happy birthday to me. Yeah, y'all. Appreciate all my subscribers, y'all. What's up with it, man? You already know, y'all. Say appreciate everybody, y'all. Say, y'all. Appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. What's up with it? Number love, you did. Say, y'all got that new bad boy, y'all. Please say, y'all, check out the reviews on that bad boy, y'all. No cap, y'all. That Ross Martin is what it is, y'all. You did. You did. I told y'all I had something, y'all. Y'all thought I was bullshit, didn't I? I thought I was bullshit. Man, no, I'm bullshit. D-Town, baby. We put it in your face. I told y'all I wasn't playing. Put it on them, y'all. Bam! Ross Martin. What? What? Did y'all see when it came out? Oh, okay. Do your research on it. Yeah, 2024, y'all. Bad something. Shut your mouth. Mm-hmm. Appreciate all my bros, y'all. Appreciate y'all with the thumbs up, man. What's up with it, y'all? Thumbs up, man. Y'all forget, man. Come on now. Can't forget the thumbs up, y'all. We on this live, y'all. Be live. Represent, represent, y'all. Get it? Fire in the hole. Big boys. Yeah. Delicious. Delicious. So yeah, y'all, what's up with it, man? What's up? Represent, 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 y'all. Pop out, y'all. What's up? Where y'all from? Where you from? Where you from? D-Town, y'all represent. Get it? So y'all, hey, big 4 win. You dig? Big 40 win on these boys. You dig? It's still that damn fool. You dig? Age don't mean shit. So let's make sure y'all understand that shit. Age don't mean shit. I would get on your ass like hotcakes. So don't all these little pussy ass motherfuckers on this bitch on that like, oh, he this age, he act like this. Don't give a damn about no age. That's my personality. Get on your ass. You did. So don't get it twisted. Age ain't shit but a number. You better get, you did. Age ain't shit but a number. Y'all better watch out for the old ass school shit. They still shoot their shit because hey, age ain't nothing but a number. Don't get it twisted. Shit. He this old to be acting like that. I would get on your ass, won't give a damn. Grown ass men do what? What the hell they want to do. Yeah, y'all. Pop out, rock out. We ain't playing no games. Say y'all. The other channel, y'all. Cooking with Love is awesome. I ain't left it alone, y'all. Y'all want to see how it looking, y'all? Because at first, like, it might be at 7, y'all. Say, we got that baby looking good, y'all. No cap, y'all. No cap. All my bro. What's up with it? But yeah, y'all. That cooking with love, y'all. That damn cooking with love. That damn cooking with love is doing the food. I ain't even posting on for like, what, since the 23rd, I think. Because I was going to wait. You know what I'm talking about? I want to build this channel up, y'all. But say, boy, I say, y'all think it's a game, man? Say, man. That channel doing awesome, y'all. No cap. You did. So yeah, y'all pop out, rock out, man. Playing no games, y'all. You did. This shit ain't no but entertainment. If you gonna do the damn thing. Oh shit, y'all. We went up like a mud. Y'all check this shit out, y'all. And I ain't been posting nothing on there. Anybody been on my other channel, y'all know I ain't posting nothing in a while. Y'all know I would have been posting at least like 30. You know what I'm talking about? I done slacked off and let it go and do its thing, y'all. But check it out, y'all. I'm still gonna stay in y'all face with it. Get it. But check this shit out, y'all. Look, y'all think